This one reel got me 6.6 million views, thousands of followers and almost 10,000 new potential clients. And the best thing is, it can be replicated in less than 10 minutes in absolutely any niche. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can steal it for yourself, copy paste it in whatever niche you are and use it to gain same or even better results than me. Let's get into it. So firstly, let me show you the reel. So this is the reel, very simple reel, from zero to CEO, with tutorial on how to launch your own company online with $0. People on social media, including Instagram, love free stuff. If you can show them how to do something for free, they will certainly watch the reel or a piece of content until the end. Bonus points if you have a lead magnet that's related to that. For example, I have a video which shows how to make your first $1,000 on Instagram. Firstly, I need to explain why is this applicable for absolutely any niche. Because it's not necessarily from zero to CEO, it's not necessarily for starting a business. If you're in fitness niche, you can say from zero to bodybuilder. If you are in finance niche, you can say from zero to millionaire, and so on. And the thing is, with this kind of reel, you can basically show how to start absolutely any niche simply by altering this part of the headline and this part of the headline. Everything else will be your tips showing how you can start whatever niche you are in. And if you want to really get a lot of views and saves, make it practical. Make sure the tips can be applied and not only theoretical stuff, because that kind of value is far more likely to get saves. Now, let me show you how you can replicate this in Canva completely. So firstly, you're gonna go to Canva and you're gonna create an Instagram post 4x5, this one. If you can't find it here, you can just go to create design. It will show you this screen. You can go to social media, for example, Instagram, and here it is, Instagram post 4x5. You choose that, and when you choose that, you're gonna be on a format like this. So I have already created the post, so I don't need to type everything, but just to deduct it, you're gonna write this headline: how to launch your own company with $0, how to start fitness with $0, how to start training with $0, how to start selling with $0. In whatever niche you are, you can make a tutorial on how to start your niche with $0. And then you're gonna write at least 10 tips showing step by step how you start your niche. So for example here, find a business idea with Founder Paul, create a name with Luca, ask ChatGPT for best business model, build a website with 10web.io, obtain a free domain with freenom.com, find a product idea with OneThread.app, create a product, sell it on Payhip, collect payments, market your product on Instagram, automate everything with ManyChat, and comment how to make your first $1,000. Now, another reason why it worked is because I also included some AI tools that help with certain tasks. We can't deny it. AI is everywhere right now. So if you can include a simple AI tool or an app or a website that's gonna make your audience's life easier, do it, because more people will save it. Simply write out 10, 12 tips. Remember that if you have a lead magnet that goes with this kind of post, you should definitely mention it. Automate it with DM automation with, for example, ManyChat or StandStore. If you don't know how to do that, I have a video where I show how you can do that with ManyChat, and I'm gonna put it on the screen somewhere here so that you can watch it. You're gonna automate that, and that's how you're gonna connect getting views with getting leads. And I like to include some kind of icons. Honestly, these were black and white simply because the original idea that I got was black and white. But in my opinion, if you can include colorful images or logos, that's even better because it draws more attention to the picture. That's one thing. So when you do this, you have the value piece. You have the post itself. By the way, this is only one trend that worked for me. I shared 10 viral trends just like this with breakdowns inside my community, and if you want to access them, simply join 7 days for free and you will get tons of material like this every single week. Now let's get back to the tutorial. Now you need to turn it into a reel. You're gonna go back to Canva and create an Instagram reel. It's the same process, just go to create design, social media, Instagram reel, and then you will be at this screen. This will be white. When you are at this screen, you're firstly gonna turn the background to black by going here, turn it to black. Then we need to put the top text, which is from 0 to CEO. In your case, it will be from 0 to fitness expert, from 0 to gym bro, from 0 to finance bro, or whatever it is. So we just go to text here, we go to add heading, we write from 0 to CEO dot. Now I like to use Poppins here. It's one of the fonts that's used the most on social media. It fits well. You're gonna put it at the top here. You're gonna turn it black, and that's because we're gonna add a rectangle. You can find it here in shapes. We're gonna add it here at the top, and we're gonna turn it white. And we have the top part of the reel. It's this one, from 0 to CEO. Above that, you can mention like something that's related to a page. So for example, a page that will make you rich in 2025. You can mention a page that will make you fit in 2025, a page that will make you a sales expert in 2025, or whatever your niche is. So we can definitely include that. It definitely grabs attention. So a page, let me just turn it white so that I can see what I'm writing. A page that will make you rich in 2025, and we're gonna just make it a bit smaller. Okay, that's great. And now we're gonna add the post. And how are we gonna do that? When you created this post, you're gonna go and download it as PNG image. I've already done that. Then we go here, we upload the post, and we just expand it. We're gonna remove the unnecessary space here. In this case, this is a bit lower on the screen because the buttons on Instagram will be here. So I like to move everything up like this. So this definitely takes a bit more space than I expected. But anyways, we are gonna make it fit. Okay, something like this. What you need to remember for sure is that on Instagram there's buttons, as I said, which will be here and here. If your post is too down, the text won't be visible on the screen, or it will be covered by buttons. So make sure it's more to the top rather than too much to the bottom. So now when we have this, there's a couple more things that we need. So we're gonna make this appear over time. We're gonna go to animate. We're gonna go find fade. Make sure it's only on enter. And we're gonna slow it down as slow as possible. And it's gonna appear like this. Perfect. I think the original video that I created was like 7 seconds. But nonetheless, the processing is the same. Here it is. That's it. You have the post. Now you just download it, of course, as MP4 video, and you post it. But there's a couple of things that you need to remember. When you post it, you also need to write a short caption that's either gonna tell them to save the post or they will forget it, or it's gonna tell them to comment to get your lead magnet. This makes sure if they miss the last tip, they will see this. Remember to make your call to actions in format do this to achieve result. Comment how to start making money. Save this to never forget it. Save this to start making money. Save this to launch your own company. Whatever it is, make it result oriented. A little trick that I learned along the way is sometimes when you use DM automation, especially with ManyChat, your messages won't be delivered to people who are not following you because of their settings. So a sweet way to also get more followers is to write something like, PS, I can't message you if you don't follow Alex Marketing. That way, you're not leaving two call to actions, you still have only one call to action, but they know that they need to follow you if they want to receive the lead magnet. This basically means that almost all of the 10,000 people which commented are guaranteed that they see this, and they probably followed me simply because I told them something like this. So if you are using DM automation, I recommend always telling them, I can message you if you don't follow at your username, because it's firstly a simple, honest truth that you probably can't message them because of their settings, and secondly, you will get more followers. Anyways, so it's a very good idea. So remember to write a caption. I like to use 3 to 5 hashtags that are related to the specific post and that mention my target audience. So for example, business owner, entrepreneur, and so on. Very simple. So when you have a caption like this, then you need only one more thing to post it, and that's the trending audio. I want you to go to my Instagram. You will find this in pinned reels. You're just gonna go to this reel. You're gonna find this audio, and you're gonna use this audio. You're gonna see a button when you're on mobile that says use audio. You simply click on use audio, and it's gonna use that exact audio on the reel that you're posting. This makes sure that you have all of the important elements to go viral, and that's the post itself, the information, the hook, the caption, and the trending audio. Every little detail matters, so please implement all of this, steal it from me, and you will go viral in no time. You will get leads in no time. And by the way, this is only one of the trends that worked out for me. In the past month, I got over 28 million views from Instagram with simple ideas just like this. As you can see, this is also my reel, 770,000 views. It's just the same reel with new information. So I get millions of views every single day without being a full-time content creator, with simple content that takes no more than 10 minutes to create. And it's all because I've figured out a system that makes it easy to get views and convert those views into followers and leads for your business. That will make sure you get unlimited leads from social media so that you can work on other parts of your business. And no, you don't need to be a full-time content creator. If you want to learn more about this, join my community 7 days for free, and I'll personally show you how to do this. See you inside, and if not, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. Cheers!